Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. Today I bought you an excellent range of fading kurtis. The fabrics are ranging from cottons to spuns, then to rayon materials, and the pricing is ranging from 330 onwards till 930 rupees. And got 3/4 sleeves, half sleeves, and got a few of them with embroidery, and few of them are straight cuts, and few of them are in cullies, which can be used for post maternity and pre maternity. And the pieces what I'm showing you right now will be available mostly for 1 or 2 days. So if you like anything, book your piece as fast as possible. You can book through our WhatsApp number, or you can we have option of video call also. You can just select the pieces through video call also. And if you need some sort of alteration also can be done. And if you need it to be courier to your place, we have got worldwide shipping facility. We can courier to your place. And a big thank you to all our customers, subscribers and viewers for giving continuous support. And let's start with today's collection. The first piece what I'm showing you right now is in 330 range. I've got many other prints in this, but I can right now I'm showing only a couple of pieces in this. This is a mustard color what I'm showing with nice beautiful jyoti print, and this one more print with biscuit color, and this again comes in the first print what I've showed in the blue color in this. So there are a lot many different sizes available. The size available in this are L, XL and XXL, and many other prints are also available which you can see through video call. And right now I'm showing just these three varieties. The range is 330 and size available are L, XL and XXL. So many varieties you can see through video call. And next variety what I'm showing is an excellent product. It comes in very heavy handloom quality and big checks. It looks very different when you wear it. You got fitting option on both the sides, and the price for this one is 510. Size available are L, XL and XXL. Excellent product, very comfortable for mother and kid, both of them. And the next piece what I'm showing is I've got 6 colors in this, one of the fastest moving variety at the store. Quality of the product is very high. The cloth is very soft. When you wear it, it will be very soft and very comfortable for kid as well as mother. So you can see this green color, light pastel green. Now you got this grayish green color. This also looks very excellent. All the colors are really beautiful color chart. Excellent color chart. You can take all the 6 if you like the colors. And this you can see the pink. The pink is also very different, very nice. And you need some sort of alteration, we can get it alteration also get it done. And this one more bluish gray color. So all the colors are really excellent. And this one peachish kind of color, and this last is one brown color. So 6 colors. You can have a look at all the colors. They look really excellent. Pattern is totally different, and the price range for this one is on 510 for a heavy quality material. And this, if you want, we can mix and match bottoms for this and send it to your place. The next piece what I'll be showing you in checks pattern. I've got 3 varieties in checks. I'll just show all the 3 varieties. This is in blue and black color checks, very beautiful concept, and got this feeding option on both the sides. Price for this one is 530 range only. This is a blue color what I showed you. Next checks variety what I'm showing comes in red and white color. This is also an excellent piece, totally uncommon variety. You won't find this variety elsewhere. And the next piece what I'm showing is this comes in this greenish color. So all the 3 colors are really good, very soft material. The material will be very comfortable for mother and kid, both of them. This is the fitting option over here. The price range for all the 3 is 530 range only, and size available in this all the 3 are L, XL and XXL. 3 sizes available. Next concept what I'm showing is in printed concept. So you have seen in checks, you have seen in plain. Now I'm showing printed concept. This right now I showed you all the varieties in straight cuts. I've got the other varieties in flare varieties also. So you can print it. I've got these 2 concepts. So beautiful colors, and many other prints are also available in store. And price for these both of them are 550, and the size available are L, XL and XXL. So this comes in printed concept. Now I'm starting with flare concept. You can have a very beautiful kurti. This in handloom fabric, heavy quality handloom fabric, very comfortable material for winters and summers as well. So this is the fitting option, and the price range is 610. Size available are L, XL and XXL. Next you can have this variety. The colors are really very beautiful in this. You can see this excellent gray color with yellow flowers. It looks very vibrant when you wear it. The next piece color what I'm showing is in green color with black flowers. This also looks too good when you wear it. The colors are really good and really charming. And this one more peach color. So all the 3 colors are really different. For these 2 colors you can use in gray bottom. It looks really outstanding. And for this you can use a mustard color bottom that looks really different. The price for this one is 650, and the size available in this are L, XL and XXL. 3 sizes available in this. So concepts are very different and very new, and this can be used for post and pre-maternity. Next, again, this is a different color chart altogether. Very beautiful color chart. If you want to have a look, if you want to take something dark colors, you can go for this red color. Excellent color. I'll just show you all the 3 colors. This is a red color. This is a peach color in this, and this one more yellow color. So all the 3 colors really different. The flare is quite big. You can have a look at the flare, quite big. We have got sleeves also. If you want, we'll get that sleeves and attached to send to your place. And the size price is only 670. Size available in this are XL and double XL. And got in few of them we have got 3XL varieties also. And next piece what I'm showing you again, this is an embroidery pattern. Got two color embroidery patterns in this. I'll just show you both the patterns. Let's see the first pattern. Got two colors in this. You got a nice maroon color with beautiful embroidery, anchor stitch thread embroidery done over it, and this is the mustard color. So both the colors are really good, really excellent. If you want any sort of mix and match, you can say send in, do the mix and match and send it to your place. And the price for this one is 720 only. Now I will show you the next pattern embroidery, which comes in straight cut. See, this is pattern of the embroidery changes as well as the color chart changes. This is the first color what I'm showing. This one comes in tomato pink color with a beautiful yellow and blue color embroidery over it, and got a nice excellent black color also in this black color, and got one more mustard color. So all three colors are really different, and price range of this one is 720, and size available in this are L, XL and double XL. You can have a look at it, all the three colors. All the three colors are really good and amazing colors, and if you need any sort of alterations, we can get the alterations also done. And the pieces what you're seeing right now will be available for 1 or 2 days only, so book your piece as fast as possible. This is again very different color chart which can be used for post and pre-maternity, and you can see the very beautiful English color chart. You got this very beautiful grayish blue color. There's one more gray color. I got feeding options on both the sides. There's one more grayish green color, and this is the navy blue color. So all the four colors are really good, really different, excellent color chart, and the price for this one is 770 range only, and size available in this are L, XL and double XL. So beautiful chart, beautiful varieties, excellent combinations. And next, this chart comes in totally fully dark color chart. This one is this dark chocolate brown color. Got this black color in this. Got this navy blue color, and if you need any sort of mix and match, we can get the mix and match done and send it to your place. And this is the maroon color. So all the four colors are really excellent, and we can mix and match a creamish bottom with this. It will look really good, and size available in this are L, XL and double XL, and the price range is 770 only. And these pieces can be used for post and pre-maternity, and cloth is very comfortable for mother and kid, both of them. And next you can see a different color chart altogether, amazing color chart. You can find this very bright orange color in this, beautiful orange color. Next is this very different green color. You can see the color combination of the prints also. They're also really good and really different. Pieces are really unique. The length of all these are a bit longer, so it will be comfortable if somebody is a bit taller also. For them also it will be very comfortable. And this is the mustard color, and this is the bluish color. So all the four colors are really different. You can have a look at the four, and the price remains the same, 770. And the size available in this are L, XL and double XL. So friends, excellent concept. If you need, or if some of your friends need this kind of feeding kurtis, definitely just share our video with them. And this is one more beautiful concept what I'm showing you right now. The colors are really different, and you got a foil print over it, and the fabric quality is very high. And you can see this fitting option available on both the sides, and the price range is 930. Size available at L, XL and double XL. The next variety what I'm showing is a very different, very fresh color chart. Got two colors in this, peach color and blue color, and it comes with a line Pochampalli print over it, so it looks even more different. Cloth is also very soft quality, and again you'll have this fitting option on both the sides for both the kurtis, and the price range is 930. And if you need any sort of alterations, so we can get it and send it to your place. So friends, we got video call option also, and if you like this thing, like this varieties, like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel, and see you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.